In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Maya eSIM. So what you want to do is go into your phone settings, and here from the settings you will select cellular underneath your Bluetooth. So from here you will be able to see any provider that you may have, and if we scroll down a little bit you should see add eSIM. Click on add eSIM, and here what's going to happen, it's going to take a little bit of time, but you can either transfer from nearby iPhone or use a QR code. So we can click on use a QR code, and it's going to show us this basically our camera, so we can scan the QR code. Now what you can do instead is enter the details manually. So here if we click on it, it's going to ask us for the SMNDP address, the activation code, and a confirmation code if there is such a thing for us. Just click on next depending on after you have filled out your information, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.